Good morning students. In this video I am going to solve true false and tick the correct option chapter 1 to chapter 8. So let's come with me and solve the true false and correct option. Now chapter 1 true false. Question number 1, herbivores can prepare their own food. No, the statement is false. Only green plant prepare their own food. Next question, fungi and bacteria are organisms that can be easily seen by the human eye by itself. No, the statement is false. Fungi and bacteria can be seen with the help of microscope. Next question, the sunflower faces the east in the morning. Yes, the statement is true. Camels do not have sweat glands. Yes, camel do not have sweat glands. Statement is true. Next question, soil is an important biotic component of our environment. No, the statement is false because soil is an important abiotic component. Now the next chapter, that is chapter 2. Question number 1, vitamins and minerals are bodybuilding foods. No, the statement is false. Protein is the bodybuilding food. Next question, our skin makes vitamin E in the presence of sunlight. The statement is false. Vitamin D is the correct answer. Deficiency of phosphorus can lead to anemia. The statement is false. Correct answer is hemoglobin, that is iron. We should eat food that has all its essential components in the right proportion. Yes, that is balanced diet. So the statement is true. Kwashiorkor occurs due to the deficiency of fat in the diet. No, the statement is false. The deficiency of protein. Now the next chapter, that is chapter 3. Air is a man-made material. The statement is false. It is natural. Next question, a thin polythene sheet is transparent. Yes, the statement is true. Pebbles float on water. No, the statement is false. Diffusion is the mixing of the particles of two materials on their own. Yes, the statement is true. Now, oxygen gas is slightly soluble in water. Yes, the statement is true. The next chapter, that is chapter 5. Glowing of an electric bulb is a fast change. Yes, the statement is true. Deforestation is a reversible change. No, the statement is false. Burning of paper is a temporary change. The statement is false. It is a permanent change. Cutting off an apple is a chemical change. No, it is a physical change. So the statement is false. Making a fruit salad is a chemical change. No, it is a physical change. So the statement is false. Changing milk into curd is a physical change. No, it is a chemical change. So the statement is false. Now the next chapter, that is chapter 6. Measurement is needed to make correct decision. The option is correct. A meter scale can be used for measuring the length of a playground. The statement is false. Long distance, so we need measuring tape. The motion of the moon around the earth is rectilinear motion, the statement is false. The motion of the pedal of a bicycle is a circular motion, the statement is true. The motion of a giant wheel is a rotatory motion, the statement is true. When we draw water from a well, we are pushing at the rope, the statement is false, we are pulling at the rope. Now the next chapter, that is chapter 7. Amoeba is a plant, the statement is false. Living organisms exhibit many variations due to their habitats and habits, the statement is true. Many non-living things can be molded in different forms or shapes, the statement is true. All living things die, the statement is true. Lotus is an example of a hydrophyte, yes, the statement is true. Invertebrates do not possess a backbone, yes, the statement is true. The next chapter, that is chapter 8. All plants possess the taproot system, the statement is false. The wheat and maize plants have a fibrous root system, the statement is true. Cactus plants photosynthesize through their stems, the statement is true. Leaves manufacture food for themselves, the statement is false. Flower is a mint for the reproduction of the plant, the statement is true. The pistil is the female part of a flower, yes, the statement is true. Stigma and ovary have no role in reproduction of plants, the statement is false. Seeds store food for the future plant, the statement is true. Now tick the correct option. Chapter 1. Biotic environment includes only the producers and the consumers, only the consumers and decomposers, only the decomposers and the producers, producers, consumers as well as decomposers. So the correct option is last one, that is producers, consumers as well as decomposers. Next question, the group of organisms which use light for making food are called autotrophs, heterotrophs, decomposers, scavengers. The correct option is autotrophs. Next question, decomposers include fungi only, bacteria only, bacteria as well as fungi, only the scavengers. The correct option is bacteria as well as fungi. Next question, which of the following is not biodegradable? Vegetables, fruits, earthworm, aluminium. The correct option is aluminium foil. Next question, vermicomposting is done by fungus, worm, bacteria, aquatic animals. The correct option is worm. Next question, an animal that is not affected much by the heat of the desert is the dash. Camel, rat, cow, lion. The correct option is camel. Now chapter 2. When a drop of iodine solution was put on the cut surface of a potato, it turned blue-black in color. This indicates the presence of fat, vitamin, starch, protein. The correct option is starch. Now the next question, the deficiency of vitamin A in the diet causes disease known as rickets, scurvy, night blindness, beriberi. The correct option is night blindness. Next question. Iron is essential for growth of teeth and bones, formation of hemoglobin, functioning of the thyroid gland, making muscles strong. The correct option is formation of hemoglobin. A child who has bow legs is suffering from a deficiency disease known as rickets, scurvy, goiter, anemia. The correct option is rickets. The deficiency of proteins in the diet of children can cause a disease known as rickets, goiter, Kwashiorkor, anemia. The correct option is Kwashiorkor. Now chapter 3. The state or states of matter that have both a fixed shape and a definite volume is or are liquids and solids, gas and liquids, liquids only, solids only. The correct option is solids only. Your book is made up of matter because it has mass, occupies space, does not float on water, occupies space and has some mass. The correct option is occupies space and has some mass. Now the next question. Which of the following is an opaque material? A piece of wood, pure air, a plain thin sheet of glass, water in a clear glass container. The correct option is a piece of wood. Now the next question. In which of the following cases would diffusion be the fastest? Gas in another gas, liquid in another liquid, a solid in a liquid, a gas in a liquid. The correct option is gas in another gas. Now the next question. Which of the following is insoluble in water? Mustard oil, sugar, carbon dioxide, common salt. The correct option is mustard oil. Now the next chapter, that is chapter 4. Question 1. Which of the following is an example of heterogeneous mixture? Sugar in water, pebbles in rice, and aerated drink, salt in water. The correct option is pebbles in rice. Next question. Which of the following is not an example of a pure substance? Oxygen, air, copper, carbon dioxide. The correct option is air. The process of loading helps to slow down the rate of sedimentation, speed up the rate of sedimentation, speed up the rate of decantation, slow down the rate of decantation. The correct option is speed up the rate of sedimentation. Now the next question. Transferring the clear liquid into another container, leaving behind the residue is called sedimentation, decantation, condensation, crystallization. The correct option is decantation. Now the next question. A substance that sublimes easily is naphthalene, sugar, annoying, chalk. The correct option is naphthalene. Now chapter 5. Question 1. Which of the following can be considered as a first change? Growth of a child, germination of seeds, bursting of a firecracker, cooking of food. The correct option is bursting of a firecracker. Now the next question. Evaporation of water is physical change, fast change, reversible change, chemical change. The correct option is physical change. Now the next question, which of these change is a reversible change? Burning of a candle, inflating a balloon, taking of chapati, grinding of wheat grains into flour. The correct option is inflating balloons. Now the next question, which of these is an irreversible change? Growth of a child, stretching a rubber band, evaporation of water, formation of ice from water. The correct option is growth of a child. Now the next question, a piece of paper undergoes a chemical change when it is cut, folded, reshaped into a paper toy, burned. The correct option is burned. Now the next chapter, that is chapter 6. The standard unit of length is the meter, millimeter, kilometer, centimeter. The correct option is meter. The standard unit of time is the second, day, minute, year. The correct option is second. The motion of the tip of a pen while writing is a or an motion of rectilinear motion, oscillatory motion, curvilinear motion, rotatory motion. The correct option is curvilinear motion. Now the next question, the motion of the tip of a pen while writing is a or an rectilinear motion, oscillatory motion, curvilinear motion, rotatory motion. The correct option is curvilinear motion. Which of the following four motions is different from the other three? The moving blades on a fan, a spinning top, a potter's wheel, a fruit falling from the tree. The correct option is a fruit falling from a tree. All other three is a rotatory motion and this is the gravitational motion. Now the next question, the motion of a swinging pendulum is an A or an curvilinear motion, rotatory motion, oscillatory motion, rectilinear motion. The correct option is oscillatory motion. Now the chapter 7. Which of these statements is true for the plants? Non-green plants are autotrophic, green plants are autotrophic, all plants are heterotrophic, all non-green plants are saprophytes. The correct option is green plants are autotrophic. Now the next question, which of the following plants belongs to the category of shrubs? Mango, rose, neem, tulsi. The correct option is rose. Which one among these is not a flowering plant? Grasses, rose, algae, mango. The correct option is algae. Now the next question. Biennial plants are those plants which live for many years, 3 years, 2 years, 1 year. The correct option is 2 years. All living organisms have bones, feathers, cells, stems. The correct option is cells. Which of these is an invertebrate? Snail, sparrow, cobra, frog. The correct option is snail. Now chapter 8. The roots that are consumed as food are onion and sweet potato, carrot and onion, potato and radish, beet and turnip. The correct option is beet and turnip. Next question. The plants manufacture food through the process of transpiration, water conduction, photosynthesis, respiration. The correct option is photosynthesis. Now the next question. Leaves are attached to the stem at the nodes, pedicel, internode, stalk. The correct option is nodes. Now the next question. The total number of holes in a flower is or are 2, 1, 3, 4. The correct option is 4. The reproductive organ of a plant is the flower, leaf, seed, root. The correct option is flower. The part of the flower that provides protection to the bud before it blooms is the sepal, petals, pistil, stamen. The correct option is sepal.